Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to present my final year project proposal, and the title for this project is an energy audit in the building. My supervisor is Prof. MADYA Dr. RAMLAN bin ZAILANI, which assists me in this final year project proposal. For this project summary, the main subject that been focused are about the consumption of energy used in the commercial building. The energy audit of building is a necessary tool for identifying and measuring the energy and cost saving. At the moment, we need to evaluate, survey, and identify a few steps to consume electricity efficiently while using it. Other than that, this will focus to recognize and propose some of the energy consumption measurement, which is ECMS, for this project. This project is mainly about an analytical study that will give positive feedback on the consumption of energy in the block of Faculty Mechanical Engineering at UiTM Shah Alam. Energy consumption often absorb high energy output like electricity in the appliance. From the data that be taken out by TNB, which is the pioneer of distributed on electrical energy in Peninsula of Malaysia, said that the total domestic generating capacity for Huli power plant in Peninsula Malaysia is 10,617 megawatt. Meanwhile, the total emission mitigate due to NBUs nearly 5.75 million with 0.57 of emission intensity in the year of 2019. Energy efficiency help to scale back the price of operation and can save the planet by reducing carbon emission that contribute to global warming. Next, we will go to the literature review. A buildings need to be an environmental friendly and green which practice and energy saving. Basically, the energy consumed in the form of cooling, lighting, and other practice. The increasing of energy impact the environment by increasing the carbon dioxide, which pressure the community to design a green building such as UiTM that be launched the initiative and a campaign. The program began in 2010, such as Sustainability Campus Campaign and a Go Green campaign within its campus to reduce the utility bills. A campaign has taught the community to be a smart user in electricity. Next, energy consumption on electrical appliance. Electrical is the main energy that be used in the university building, campus, and college. From the previous study and data, it shown the major end uses for energy consumption in student residential college are computer application, which is 30%, facilities such as lighting and fan up to 45%, and others. The good planning on the consumption of electrical energy gain a good result, which has been demonstrated by some of local university such as UiTM in Malaysia. From the campaign that been launched, the amount of energy saved in 2011 compared to 2010 is equivalent to 91,560 ringgit, which is approximately 40% of total energy that UiTM saved, while a reduction of EEI among the building in the faculty between which is 5% to 14%. Moreover, the saving in electricity assists by introducing a new process of automation systems such as sensor. Since it includes a variety of electrical appliances that are used by the public, the classroom, laboratory, and lecture room are a priority place to audit energy the operation procedure energy conservation measure, which is ECM, take place from HVAC, lighting system, electrical appliance, and other. From the finding, lighting are commonly being used in all the location, but the type of lighting is too old, which is an incandescent light bulb. Fluorescent bulb produce less heat, which is 50 to 100 lumen per watt. It is 4 to 6 times efficient than incandescent bulb. From the finding, Malaysia government have made some initiative for improve the electric goods with sustainability practice in the country by introduce star rating program which can help to improve the consumption energy efficiently. Mostly in public universities, there are a lot of electronic appliances that have been given this initiative to the student and all the community in the building to use it for free. Unfortunately, some of electronic appliances doesn't meet the requirement on the conservation of energy, such as a sticker of energy rating label that been given by the authorities. The system also too old, which is less of automated electric system supposed being used in the building. Community use it without worry, concern, and doesn't care the outcome after using it for too long or leave it without shut off the system. Then the impact from this action will give the bad result, or what can we say is the contribution to the increasing of the electrical bills and carbon dioxide. In order to carry out this study, aim of the study is determined as following. First, to identify the energy performance in the buildings. Next, to evaluate the energy consumption pattern in the building blocks. And the last one, to propose an operation procedure with an efficient energy consumption and savings to the building management. The scope for this project cover full blocks of Faculty Mechanical Engineering in UiTM Shah Alam. There are few limitations. First, getting the info on the electrical appliance that been used for too long. The information power of the appliance need to find it manually. Second, access on the every room that need to be accessed by the staff in the faculty. Next, multiple section in the blocks that being different for each level. And the last one, the current scheme for installation of new cooling ventilation in the faculty, which is the progress working that's still ongoing and didn't finish yet. From this table, the methodology will be divided into 3 sections, which is pre-location visit, during the location visit, and post-visit. First, pre-location visit. Plan the energy audit and data collection of utility bill are the first step to conduct this project. The energy consumption pattern will be studied from the data of location background and plan layout of the building. The data include from each room within the blocks of building. The data are focusing on utility bill from the previous year and month. Next, during the location visit, we move to field data collection and make a walk through the buildings. The information and data obtained by the building blocks that can be set by the equipment to obtain energy usage data in a week, such as the BEI value, the lighting lux value, and the electrical appliance value. More detailed data on energy consuming building, service equipment, and major causes of inefficiency can be collected from field data. And the last one is post-location visit. The last stage need to analyze and gather all the information and data that been taken during the location visit. Final selection on the suitable facilities that need to be improved and be potential for energy saving in the building block will included in the full report. This is the formula that will be used to calculate the energy consumption in the block. To calculate the energy cost for lighting and electrical appliances, the formula is where the energy cost equal to the quantity of light times the power rating times the operating times and times tariff charge. Next, for the lift system, the formula that will be used is the power of lift equal to the voltage rating of the lift system times by the current rating of the lift system and times by the square root 3. Next, the trip times will be equal from the total height of the floor divided with the speed of the motor, which is obtained from the plate of the lift. Lastly, the energy cost for lift will be calculated from the total power will be times to the trip times divided by 3600. Next, for building energy intensity BEI, where the ratio between the total annual energy consumption will be divided by the net floor area of the building. BEI is one of benchmarking tool in monitoring building energy performance. This is the building layout. The site of Faculty Mechanical Engineering are located inside the University Technology Mara Shah Alam in Selangor. The expected result, the first one, we can get total of energy consumption in the system. Next, total of building energy index BEI block of building. The last one, estimate of end use of energy consumption for Faculty Mechanical Engineering block.